In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp for online arbitrage. Online arbitrage, or OA, is simple at its core. You buy products at a lower price from retail websites and resell them for a higher price on Amazon. The goal is to make smart, data-backed decisions before you buy. That's where Selleramp comes in. It helps you answer three essential questions. Can I sell it? Does it sell? And is it profitable? Start by finding a potential product on retail sites like Walmart, Target, eBay, or regional marketplaces such as Shopee or Lazada. Look for discounted or trending items and open the individual product page. You can copy the product name or simply keep the tab open. Now use Selleramp to search Amazon. The fastest method is to click the Selleramp browser extension on the product page. It will automatically search Amazon for the best match. This next part is critical. Make sure you're matching the correct Amazon listing. Confirm the brand is the same, the size is the same, and any variation like color, pack count, or model is exactly the same. If anything doesn't match, that's the wrong product and you should not proceed. Once you've found the correct listing, analyze it in Selleramp. Look at profit, which should be at least $3 per unit, and ROI, which should be 30% or higher. Check the best sellers rank, or BSR. Lower ranks generally indicate faster sales. Review the buy box, since that reflects your likely selling price. Fees are already calculated for you, so you'll see real-time profit that accounts for Amazon costs and competition data. Next, check for restrictions. Selleramp alerts you if the item is gated, hazmat, or has known intellectual property risk. If you see any of these alerts, skip the product immediately. Evaluate competition by reviewing the number of sellers, how many are FBA, and whether Amazon itself is on the listing. Fewer sellers usually means better odds of holding price and winning the buy box. If Amazon is a seller, that's typically a red flag. Assess demand by looking again at BSR and the estimated monthly sales. Faster selling items are generally safer buys. Then check price history using the Keepa chart within Selleramp. A stable price is a positive sign, while a dropping price suggests risk and potential margin compression. Finally, decide whether to buy or skip. Buy only if profit is $3 or more. ROI is at least 30%. There are no restrictions, demand looks good, and competition is reasonable. If any of those fail, skip and move to the next opportunity.